Okay, good afternoon, Miss.
Afternoon, sir.
Today we are going to do the evaluation for primary six about science, mathematics, and math. Now we start from the homework of science. Okay, we start from the question number one, Miss.
Okay, true, false will reason the testes are the main reproductive organs in males. False, because the testes are the main reproductive organs in males. Viruses are living things that can reproduce inside a host. False, because viruses behave as living things inside a host, but they are not truly living. Reproduction is important for the continuation of species. True, covering your mouth when sneezing helps prevent disease spread. True. Mosquitoes are harmless and do not spread diseases. False, because mosquito can spread the disease like malaria and yellow fever. Which organ in males release egg for reproduction? Ovary. What physical change cause boys' voices to become deeper during puberty? The voice box become larger, make the voice become deeper. Having strong and well-developed muscles in the body is muscular. Tiny fungus that grows in them dark places is mold, something that blocks or stops harmful things, barrier.
Okay.
How can mosquito breeding be prevented around our homes? We can remove the standing water or stagnant water from the in the flower pots or drains. We can add oil to the water to stop the mosquito larva getting air. This helps stop the breeding of the mosquito. If a baby is delivered through the uterus instead of the vagina, what might this indicate? This likely indicates the surgical cesarean section. This can happen when the baby is not safe and the natural delivery is possible. Is impossible. Why is it necessary for the male reproductive system to deliver sperm to the female reproductive system? Fertilization can only happen when the sperm meet the eggs. This male reproductive system is structured to deliver the sperm to the egg.
Before.
What role does stomach acid play in protecting our body? When we eat or drink the contaminated food or water, the stomach secretes the acid that can kill the germ from before entering or surviving inside our body. Can our body fight diseases without medicine or vaccines? Explain. Yes, because our body has its own mechanism defense that can protect us from the germs before we are getting sick.
Okay. So what you mentioned about medicine or and vaccines here actually.
Yes.
Is it the same or different?
Different medicine is used to help treat us when we are already sick, but vaccination is used to help protect us before we are getting sick.
Okay, so it's just like this vaccine is the prevent way, right?
Yes, medicine help treat.
Okay. Now we move to math. Okay. 3D shapes. Okay, we can
Okay,
start from the
what is
question
the name
one.
of this 3D solid? This is a triangular prism.
Number two.
Which figure will this net make? Cube.
Yeah.
Which figure will this net make? A square pyramid.
Yeah. It's correct. Number four.
Which figure will this net make? Rectangular.
Rectangular. Okay. Five.
Okay, which figure will this net is triangular pyramid? Should be pyramid. Sorry.
Yeah, this one should be
Yeah.
pyramid, right? Triangular pyramid.
Each cup can hold 250 milliliters. What is the total volume of 4 cups? 1000 milliliters. What is the volume of water in the container? 20 milliliters. What is the volume of water in the container 500? What is the total volume of the water of the two containers 500 plus 250? 750 milliliters. How much liquid is in the beaker? 50 milliliters.
Okay, Miss.
Flat pattern that you fold to make the dish shape is net.
Yeah.
The total area of all the outside surfaces of the dish shape is the surface area. How much a container can hold capacity, the amount of space inside a 3D object volume. Mark brought 2 bottles of water and each bottle contains 1 liter of water to basketball practice. He drank 1,500 milliliters of water during practice. How many milliliters of water does he have left? 500 milliliters.
500. 1 liter of water. Okay, yeah.
This 1 liter, 1,000.
Okay, I see. So this one, oh, you match the. Okay, could you explain this one, Miss?
Okay, this one will be the triangular pyramid, and sorry, the square pyramid, and then this one cube, this one rectangular, and the last one the prism.
Yeah. Okay, now we move to Matematika. So this is ini review.
Still
ya, Miss?
review.
Berarti
bilangan
minggunya
basic.
akan ada project begitu.
Ya sudah.
Oh, sudah selesai. Oke, kita mulai dari nomor 1, Miss.
Oke, bagaimana cara membaca bilangan? Oke, A 0,8. Pecahan desimal dari 4 per 5 adalah 0,8. Pecahan biasa dari 0,4 itu 4 per 10 atau disederhanakan 2 per 5. 3,5 dibaca A, 3,5. Urutan pecahan desimal mulai dari terkecil adalah 0,3, lalu 0,6, 1,6, dan 2,1A.
Okay, next.
0,8 lebih kecil dari 1,4. Tanda yang tepat untuk membandingkan desimal berikut 4,3 lebih besar.
Oke, kita skip aja pertanyaan ini, Miss. Lanjut di bagian part B.
Oke, apa nama angka yang memakai koma untuk menunjukkan pecahan? Itu bilangan desimal. Angka di bawah garis pecahan menunjukkan bagian itu penyebut. Gabungan bilangan bulat dan pecahan dalam satu bentuk itu pecahan campuran. Angka 8 menempati tempat puluhan. Angka 6 menempati tempat satuan. Angka 5 menempati tempat persepuluhan. Maka bentuk bilangan 86,5. 60-an tambah 4 satuan ditambah 6 persepuluhan menjadi 64,6.
64,6. Oke. 3 soal pertama bisa dicoba dijawab.
Oke, 1 per 2 itu sama dengan 0,5. Cara mengerjakannya bisa diubah penyebutnya menjadi per 10 atau langsung 1 dibagi 2. Sama-sama dikali 5. Lalu yang kedua juga sama caranya, bisa langsung 2 dibagi 5 atau diubah persepuluhan menjadi 4 per 10 yaitu 0,4. 3 per 6 sederhanakan 1 per 2, jadi jawabannya sama 0,5.
Oke. I think that is all for homework. Untuk minggu ini akan ada matematika project yang sudah selesai, Miss. Bisa dijelaskan projectnya tentang apa?
Oke. Jadi saya meminta siswa untuk membuat satu nama barang beserta harga tapi dalam desimal. Jadi bisa susu, bisa pulpen, segala macam. Satu siswa saya suruh membuat 5. Saya bagi kertas, saya potong-potong kertas menjadi beberapa bagian. Jadi setiap siswa membuat 5 benda. Lalu semua soal itu akan kita kumpulkan dalam satu kontainer di satu tempat. Setelah itu siswa akan dibagi menjadi beberapa grup. Satu grup itu terdiri dari 4 orang. Lalu setiap siswa mengambil secara acak soal yang sudah mereka buat beserta harga tadi. Lalu soal yang mereka ambil akan mereka hitung. Jadi di situ poinnya adalah mereka harus bisa menghitung bilangan desimal dengan cara bersun ke bawah, yaitu menyamakan posisi koma. Walaupun ada angka yang ribuan, ratusan, puluhan, tapi yang fokus kita adalah desimal. Saat menjumlahkan bilangan desimal, koma itu harus sejajar.
Ya. Oke, I see. Dalam bentuk grup pencongan konsep desimal. Okay, now we move to the book. So we start from the math. math will be taken from 61 until 68. Sixty-one. Okay, maybe you can solve this question first, Miss.
Number
Number 3.
Number 3. Danish has a toy block. The shape of the toy block and its net are shown below. Make a conjecture about the surface area and the toy block and prove it. Okay, we can find the area by adding all this. Can you move this?
Oh yeah.
Okay, so 21 plus 6 plus 28 plus 6, 6 and 6, plus 35. It can be 21 plus 6, 27 plus 28, 55 plus 6, 61. Okay, 96 square centimeters. Is one square or cube?
Centimeter square, because this is talk about
Yes,
surface.
surface area. Okay.
Yeah, so here the concept is just they have
calculating.
provide the area actually,
Yes.
right? Okay, so we just need to find the total surface, the total area. Okay, I see. So because this one they talk about the surface and the volume. Do they talk-
Volume next
Next.
chapter.
Okay, next chapter.
After this,
So they just talk about the surface area.
yeah, this net first.
Maybe you can explain first, Miss. How do you explain the concept of the surface area actually?
As we know, surface area is the total area of a 3D shape from the outside covering. So I have taught them using I use the paper, sir, to make the net. Because, for example, a box has 6 squares. So when we fold the net, we can make the box. We
Yeah.
can make the box. So after we cut the box, we can get the net. So the area, how do we know? The square always has, the cube always has the same length for each. So how to know the area? In this book, in this chapter, we don't talk too much about the area because, for example, like this question, they directly provide the area.
Oh, I
we need
see.
to, but this book only focus for the net.
Oh,
So we
okay.
can use paper, we cut it and we fold it together.
So they don't pay too much focus
No.
on finding the each area, right?
No.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. And we have a science project for
Yes.
tomorrow. Okay, so could you demonstrate about the science project things? What is the science project about this?
Reproductive system, human reproductive system.
So what is the activity about?
Oh,
Could you explain? Maybe you can
yes.
take this one first.
Okay,
The
sir.
things and the purpose of doing this project.
Okay, this science project talk about human reproductive system. The purpose of the purpose of the science project. The first, we need to know the part of we need to know the part of reproductive system, the male and female. Male and female have different part, but they will relate each other because the function of reproductive system to create new living things, new life.
Yeah.
So we can continue our species here. So this I have made this project using the clay. This about female reproductive system. As we know, there are four parts for the female reproductive system. The first is ovaries. Ovaries produce the eggs, and then the eggs will be carried by the oviduct. This is oviduct. This is I just make this as ovaries because the oviduct will carry the ovaries to the uterus. The uterus is where the baby develop, is where the baby grow, and then the baby after 9 months, the baby will be delivered through the vagina. Actually, the vagina is not only for deliver the baby, but also for helping urination and also menstruation. Menstruation happens when the egg does not fertilize with the sperm. So after the eggs fertilize with the sperm, the baby will grow in the uterus here.
Yeah, it means when the fertilization process is happen, there is no menstruation anymore, right?
Yes.
Yeah. I see. Okay, Miss. I think it's clear for the project. Now we move to summary point. Okay. Good question, Miss. Okay, here we have the summary point of math. Since for this week you will have the Mathematica and Science project, right? It means we only have the science math project. So please explain this point, Miss.
Okay, this is about volume and capacity. The volume is the space inside of the object of the 3D shape of 3D object takes up. The capacity is how much a container can hold. The volume usually measured in cubic units, for example, cubic centimeters. Capacity always use in this book we only limit milliliter or liters. 1000 milliliters equals to 1 liters. For example, a bottle's capacity is 2 liters, not its volume. So the 2 liter it's same as 2000 milliliters.
Okay. Oh yeah, we still have this one, yeah, Miss.
Yes.
Okay, this one.
Okay. Cuboid, this is about 3D shapes. A cuboid has 6 faces, 12 edges, and 8 vertices. For example, a box. A triangular prism has 5 faces, 9 edges, and 6 vertices. Faces the sides of the 3D shape. A square pyramid has 5 faces, 8 edges, and 5 vertices. Uh, all of these 3D shape have each net. The net is the side. The net is the side that we can fold to create the 3D objects like cuboid, triangular prism, square pyramid. When we cut the object, we can get this 2D shape, and then when we fold it back, we can create the 3D objects.
Yeah. Okay, Miss. Now we move to vocabulary list. Okay, for this vocabulary list, we only have math. So we start from the first word, surface area.
Surface area, the total area of outside surface of a 3D shape. The surface area, is the total area of the faces. Uh, it shows how much the area surface cover the outside. For example, like a jug. Sorry. For example, a cube you add up all the 6 squares.
Oh yeah. Volume.
Volume the amount of space inside of a 3D shape. its measurement, the space inside on 3D inside 3D shape. It shows how much the water fills the bottle or a box. Usually it measures using the cubic units. For example, a cube has, the volume of a cube is 24 cubic centimeters.
Yeah. Triangular prism.
Triangular prism, a 3D objects with two triangle on the edge and three rectangular connecting them. It looks like the triangular wedges or rooftop of the houses. For example, you can see this 3D shape when you see your house.
Okay, last word, mount.
Amount is the amount, uh, how much there is of something. Um, the amount, is the total number or quantity of items. It can be like counting the how many cookies in a jar or toys in a box. For example, the amount of liquid in that container.
Okay. Okay, Miss, I have asked from the homework. You have explained the project as well, summary point and vocabulary list, and I think that is all for our evaluation today. Thank you.
Welcome, sir.